A download button inside your cloud software can create a dangerous feeling of safety. Imagine your booking system locks you out on Monday morning. You exported a spreadsheet last Friday, but it contains customer names, appointment dates, and cryptic status codes. It does not contain the automatic reminders, staff permissions, intake forms, or the links between records. That file is data, but it may not be a working backup. Pick one system your business cannot operate without and run a restore drill. Export it, open the files somewhere else, rebuild 5 real records, and write down what is missing. Also record who owns the account, where recovery codes live, and how you would contact customers while the system is unavailable. The goal is not a perfect duplicate overnight. It is knowing exactly what you can recover before an outage turns discovery into panic.